Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm staying at the 5-star Bolton Hotel in Wellington, New Zealand for one night. The hotel is well located just off the terrace, one of the two most important streets in Wellington City for business and government. The hotel has good reviews on Google, averaging 4.5 out of 5. But how will my experience be, and how much do you think this hotel should cost? Check-in is super easy, and the young woman at the front desk is perhaps the friendliest I've had at any Wellington hotel. Soon I'm heading up to room 408A at the end of the hall. First thoughts are that the room is a good size. The decor is very sedate, very minimalist. There are nice views from the window to the sunny north in the late afternoon. There's a good sized TV, and there's an extra seat or storage bench here for my bag. The bed itself is a queen, smaller than I would have expected in a room this size in a high-star hotel. There's a lamp each side of the bed on a small bedside table with no actual drawers. The room is quite light overall despite one of the two main lights above the bed not working. There's a big mirror over here, and as I said earlier, plain decor. There's a very good sized desk with quite a comfy office chair to get some serious work done, although I do most of my email checking from the bed. One really cool feature is that each room comes with a tablet that you can use to check your TV channels, order room service, restock the minibar, even do exercise routines or get help going to sleep. Unlike many hotels these days, the Bolton has a decent selection of channels, although mostly free ones, with some good paid sports channels. There's coffee, a kettle, and plenty of tea options, an absurdly wide range of glasses to choose from, mugs and cups. There's probably the best stocked hotel minibar I've seen in recent years. There's enough alcohol to make an Aussie cricketer tipsy, chocolates and a bar fridge so full there's no space for you to put anything of your own. If you want to pay $7 for water, this is for you. There's 2 bathrobes, a laundry bag, plus a couple of extra hangers. I'd have liked more hanging space. Next stop is the bathroom. It's huge, spotless and very well equipped. Big basin, ironing board and iron behind the door, plenty of plugs, a handsome man in the mirror, Sevilla Neroli hand wash and lotion which smelled and felt wonderful, and this treasure chest of shower caps and other bathroom essentials. There were towels everywhere. They obviously want you to be clean. Extra toilet paper and tissues in a mirrored box so you can watch as you blow your nose. Plus gold encrusted hairdryer. Yet more towels on the heated towel rail, and then the piece de resistance. I love a big shower, and this one did not disappoint. Very strong pressure and piping hot water. The shower comes with these fantastic supplies of body wash, shampoo and conditioner. Now, not many hotel bathrooms have windows, but this one does. Around 9 o'clock at night, I ordered some dinner on the room service app. It cost me 33 New Zealand dollars, including delivery to my room. I have to say I was very disappointed with this meal. It was small for the price, the fries came with no sauces, and the taste? Very garlicky. I'm sure my colleagues will thank me for that tomorrow. But how did I sleep? I'll see you in the morning. Well, that was a very comfy bed and a solid night's sleep. Time for a morning drink before I'm ready to face breakfast. Now, breakfast was included in my room price. Staff were once again super friendly, but the cooked buffet breakfast options were disappointing. I don't even know what this dish on the left was. Staff were slow in restocking the tomatoes and the scrambled egg, and the bacon was so undercooked, I didn't risk eating it. The pastries were far more inviting, as was more tea. The delicious range of fruits and juices was great. I went back for seconds. Checkout followed soon after, and I was into another day. Now, just before I tell you how much I paid to stay in the 5-star Bolton Hotel, click like, click subscribe, and comment down below as to what you think I should have paid for this hotel experience. First, the pros. Ultra-friendly staff, a decent-sized room, best shower ever, and a very comfy bed. The location is great if you're in Wellington for government or business purposes. I loved the quality body wash and shampoo. But the room actually felt quite drab, even though I like minimalism, and both dinner and breakfast disappointed me. So what did it cost? $190 New Zealand including breakfast. Not a bad price for this location and room size. Overall, I score the Bolton an 85.